Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about luxury rouge from the house of Riffs. Let's begin with today's video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So Riff's Perfume House is an Arabic fragrance house and they are based off UAE and they come up with some amazing fragrances which are sometimes dupes and sometimes their own private blends. They are very affordable and they just suit Indian weather. Let's get to the packaging on this one. Luxury Rouge comes in this metallic cardboard box which has this glossy finish to it and some golden details. All the details around it is mentioned here and the pricing and all is also mentioned here. This is a 100 ml bottle which you can find it around 1500. The bottle looks super cute. This is like a deep red color with like black spray bubbles on it, kind of like polka dots. And then you have this beautiful golden stone looking like cap right here, and this is the atomizer. Now from the bottle and everything, you may have taken a guess that this one is kind of like duping or inspired by Giorgio Armani's Malachite Rouge, which is from their Armani Privé line. So this is inspired by that. Even the bottle looks pretty similar to that one. And let's test the sprayer. This is how the sprayer is. Diffuses the product really well. And this fragrance is meant for tuberose lovers. If you like a good creamy tuberose fragrance, warm and very sharp on tuberose, you are going to like this one. Now, if I tell you the notes breakdown, you will know why I'm saying that this is for the tuberose lovers, because the tuberose is a star note here. Right in the top notes, the mid notes as well as the base notes, you will find tuberose present. Opens up with tuberose, pink pepper and clary sage. Mid notes of tuberose, jasmine sambac, orange blossom, benzoin, ylang ylang and cashmere. Base notes again tuberose and amber. So just imagine a first date. You're going out for lunch with your partner and your partner has gotten this gorgeous bouquet of white florals and yellow florals mixed together with some hints of greens in that. So it has like some greenery, some tuberose, jasmine, thoda sa mogra, that yellow florals of ylang, and that is all mixing up, and you know that hint of greenness, that dewiness, all of that mixing together and giving this beautiful wisp of tuberose. This is what this fragrance is all about. It does have like a oily feel quality to it, like because of that ylang present in here, it does have like this perfume oil kind of a quality to it. The amber in this is kind of like holding the perfume together by bringing in some warmth in this fragrance. The clary sage in the opening kind of like brings in a little herbal touch, and the jasmine is a little sharp along with tuberose on this. Through and through, it's a white floral dream. It's not a creamy white floral. This is more like a fresh and a warm white floral fragrance. This also is kind of like a perfect bridal wear in my opinion, because this just has a very good feel to it. Like the white florals are so bright, they look so sophisticated and classy. It just kind of is a reminder of a gorgeous bridal fragrance. It literally gives me a mental picture of a bride who's wearing white, and so she's walking towards the aisle to just get committed and just stay and go and live with her man. This is just that kind of a fragrance in a bottle. First time that I sniffed this fragrance, I got a flash of that Anushka Sharma's video where she's walking towards Virat. So that's the kind of vibe, like I said, walking towards the guy, it just has that kind of a vibe to it. It's gorgeous, a little sharp on white florals. If you do not like any sweetness in your fragrance, you just like florals, you are somebody who kind of likes those natural Rajnigandha ke gazre, this kind of reminds me a Rajnigandha ka gazra through and through, like with that freshness, that thread which is passing through the flowers and kind of like mixing up with that natural sap of that flower with the tuberose fragrance itself. This is that in a bottle. Coming to the performance on this one, this gives me an easy 8+ hours. It's a good performing fragrance for such a less price. It projects. The sillage is moderate, but the projection is really good. This is a compliment getter. Whenever I've worn this to office, people have asked me what I'm wearing because it just has a distinct freshness to it. It also has a very fresh, clean girl vibe to it. Perfect morning and afternoon kind of a fragrance to be worn, be it casual, be it special occasion, be it office. Just go easy on the number of sprays. it's suitable for daytime wear throughout the year. My overall rating on this one is a 9 out of 10. I'm very impressed with the overall quality of the juice that you're getting here for the price that I've paid. Just one observation, the one mark that I'm cutting specifically for this one is that the oil has kind of oozed out onto the bottle surface and kind of like sticking onto the cap. So if you see the threads, the gooey threads that are coming on this packaging, that's the only thing that I felt that the packaging could have been a little better. So that's it for today's video. That was my overall take on Luxury Rouge by Riffs. And if you have tried some Riff fragrances and you want to recommend it to me, do let me know in the comment section. So any suggestions here are welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.